So we spoke with a family just last week that had a loved one that was tragically killed in an accident that wasn't their fault. And they had a lot of concerns, and we spent a lot of time with them going over everything they needed to know about making this claim on behalf of their loved one. And one of the questions they had was, what mistakes could we make in proceeding with this wrongful death claim? And there's a number of mistakes in a wrongful death claim that can be very easy to avoid, but critically important to make sure that they are avoided. And the first one is, in a wrongful death claim, it is very important that the cause of the accident and death are documented extensively. These are very important claims for every family member, and whether it's a car accident or a truck accident or some other type of accident, it's important that appropriate professionals are sent out to the scene to document evidence, to document skid marks if that's appropriate, to make measurements, to do interviews, and to determine what all the factors were that led to this accident and this death. And that needs to take place immediately. Most people, when faced with a death, don't want to get an attorney involved for a period of time because they have a number of other things and family considerations that they have to deal with. But the problem with that is, where the accident and the death occurred, the scene is going to change immediately. And so it's critically important that someone go out there on your behalf from an attorney's office and document all of those things immediately in order to prove your claim. And that leads me into the next thing that's critically important to avoid in a wrongful death claim, and that is, don't hire the wrong attorney. If you hire the wrong attorney for your wrongful death claim, it's going to be very difficult to prevail. You need to hire only an attorney that handles all personal injury cases and has experience with wrongful death cases and is a trial attorney. If you hire somebody who has no experience with wrongful death cases, they're not going to know the steps to take to maximize the claim for you and your family. If you hire an attorney that doesn't do trial work, the insurance companies and defense lawyers are going to know that that lawyer is not willing to take it all the way. And the offers and the settlement possibilities are going to be very different. So make sure that you're looking for an attorney that handles exclusively personal injury cases, wrongful death cases, and is a trial lawyer when you're looking for your wrongful death attorney.